today I am going to be showing you how to create a child theme or a child template in Joomla. So as you can see, I am here on the Joomla website. This is one we built in the previous tutorial of which one's better, Joomla 5 or WordPress 6. Now, this is going to be a really quick tutorial, but it's going to be very easy to do. All you're going to have to do is log into your admin dashboard. You can check some of my old videos to figure out how to do that. But if you click up here, we are now in the system dashboard. So this should be your default dashboard that you see kind of when you log in. All you're going to want to do is click over on system, and then you're basically going to want to scroll down to where we have site templates. Now, if you're in site templates, don't get confused here. There are two sections. One is site templates and one is site template styles. The styles are not going to help you in this regards. However, you can see we already have a child theme here called Joomla 5. So when you create a child theme, it is also going to appear in your templates. But you can't simply go here and click duplicate. Because when you click duplicate, even though a new theme has appeared here, as we can see in our file system here, there is no child theme of that template. We've only got the original and the Joomla 5 one we created. So in order to stop that, we are first going to delete this one we just duplicated. You're then going to go back to your template. All right, before we continue, if you guys are a business and you need help with Joomla, or if you need help with your WordPress website, or if you just need help with building custom components, development, hosting, whatever it may be, whether you're in New Zealand, Australia, or anywhere in the world, go to Revive Digital. You'll see the link on the screen now and a QR code you can scan on your phone. Come send me an email and I'd be happy to help you out. We're going to want to click into any of these templates. Now in here, you have the option to create overrides of basically anything, whether it be a module, a component, a plugin, or just a layout. So we're not going to want to do any of these, but these are handy if you're looking to override specific parts of the site rather than the whole template itself. What you're going to want to do here is you can see up in the corner we have a create child theme template. Now if we click that, we're able to give this any name we want. So we're going to call it WebTech with Brett, and we're going to base it off the default theme, and we can click create child template. Now we can see there is a new template file that's there, and under our styles we have a new template there. And the big difference is now we can see under our template files we have a new child theme. Now the child theme is realistically going to only have the main override file and the template detail file. If you do not want those and you want to override something like the index.php, it's then very simple, because you can just go into your main theme, copy your index file, go back to your new theme and paste it in there. And boom, you have it, you can override it. So that basically does it. It is that easy to create a child theme or a child template, as Joomla calls them. WordPress's theme, Joomla's templates. It is that easy to create one. It is a recommended method to do it. That way, if updates happen on the original themes, you're not going to override any of your original content. I hope this video has been helpful. If you do have any more questions on Joomla, AI, anything web tech, chuck it down in the comments on this video and I will look at them, I will reply to you, and I may create some videos to help you guys out in the future.